Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. It's April 22nd. I wanted to give you kind of a follow-up of Sunday's video. So you should be working on and turning in the defective detective and the trashy neighbor assignment. Last week was the inference overview and the packet about, or the questions about the boat. So to wrap it up for the inference unit, you're going to be working through the inference module on my reading lab. Okay, so it's the overview through the post test. Now, one thing that we haven't talked about that is covered in the overview that you're responsible for knowing is figurative language. This is review, I'm sure, for the majority of you. Okay, but you'll have to know irony, metaphor, simile, symbolism to work through the module. Please have this module, the completed inference module, done by Saturday. Let me go back to the learning path so you can see it. If you haven't emailed me the defective detective, if you haven't emailed me the trashy neighbor, um, please do that and then work through the inference module. Okay, the inference module's due Saturday. All right, don't forget about my office hour on Friday if you want to jump on and ask me any questions. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe.